Hi there, Logan here for Easy Coffee House, and today I'm going to show you how to make an Americano. It's very easy. All we're going to do is we're going to start by grinding our beans. Compacting. Tamping, and I have to do this off screen because of the way the camera is set up. And then from there, wipe off our tamper. Put that into the group head there. And pull the shut. And after our shot has finished dripping out, we are going to move over here to the hot water side of the machine and just fill the rest of the cup up with hot water. And there you go, an easy Americano. Now you may be wondering what's the difference between an Americano and a long black? Very simple. The Americano, the water goes in last. The long black, the water goes in first. It's literally the same drink, you just reverse the order. This has been Logan for Easy Coffee House. Thanks for watching.